Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2009 Ultra Classic Electra Glide. This bike has just under 20,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Bike is pretty much stock still. Comes with the factory footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger. And really the one thing they've added to this bike is the grab rails for the passenger. And then there's the grab rail again, footboards for both the driver and the passenger, as well as a heel toe shifter. Alright, show you those miles now. 19,932 is what's on it. Sounds like it's had a little baffle work done to it too. So this 2009 Electra Glide Ultra Classic will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.